Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning Stage Manager on and opening the app you'll use most. This sets the active space and avoids clutter. Once done, add other apps one by one to the side strip so you see immediate context. Make sure to create a group for related windows. That way you can switch without reordering each time. You'll save time because Stage Manager remembers group membership and reduces distractions while you focus on the task at hand. You organize windows by dragging them into groups, which keeps work streams together and prevents accidental overlap. Then resize or snap a window to create a clear main workspace. This gives priority to the active app while keeping context visible. After that, switch between groups using the side strip or the keyboard. This is faster than mission control for focused workflows. Because groups preserve layout, you avoid rebuilding a workspace every time you switch tasks. You finish by closing windows you no longer need so the side strip stays relevant and fast. If layouts misbehave, reset Stage Manager by toggling it off and on. That clears stuck groups without losing your open apps. Finally, learn the keyboard shortcuts to create and switch groups quickly, because muscle memory beats menu hunting. If something still goes wrong, restart the problematic app before rebooting. Often it fixes redraw and focus issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.